Orlando Pirates have officially announced the departure of Nigerian defender Olisa Ndah, with both parties agreeing to part ways by mutual consent. The decision means Ndah is now a free agent and can join any club of his choice with immediate effect. Reports suggest that Ndah himself was keen on moving on, bringing an end to his time at the Buccaneers. His exit has sparked mixed reactions among supporters. While some Orlando Pirates fans are disappointed to see one of their long-serving and physically strong defenders leave the club, others believe it was time for a fresh chapter. Interestingly, the news has also caught the attention of Kaizer Chiefs supporters. Some Amakosi fans have taken to social media calling on the club to sign Ndah, believing he still has what it takes to return to his best form. At his peak, Ndah was regarded as one of the most dominant defenders in the league, and many feel a change of environment could help him rediscover that level. However, the situation is not that simple for Kaizer Chiefs. At the moment, Amakosi already have a number of defenders in their squad, which raises questions about whether they would be willing to add another center-back, even if he is available for free. That said, Chiefs have shown in the past that they are not afraid to take advantage of free agent opportunities, especially from their rivals. At the start of the season, they signed Paseka Mako and Thabiso Monyane from Orlando Pirates after their contracts expired. Both players have since settled in well and are performing strongly for Amakosi. This has led to speculation that Olisa Ndah could potentially become the third former Pirates player to cross over to Naturena as a free agent. Whether Chiefs will make a move or not remains to be seen, but the possibility has certainly excited sections of their fan base. For now, the big question remains: was it the right decision for Orlando Pirates to release one of their most experienced and powerful defenders? And should Kaizer Chiefs seriously consider giving Olisa Ndah a chance to revive his career? Let us know what you think about Pirates' decision and whether Chiefs should make a move for Ndah. Don't forget to subscribe for more football news and updates.